Okay, let's start the machine now. First, turn off the heater by turning it from right to left, and then close oil unit valve like this. And then we need to stop the vacuum pump by press this red one. And at the same time, we need to open the vacuum adjusting valve to release vacuum for the vacuum tank. After this, we just wait for the oil to be pumped out completely from this machine. And we can observe from this oil outlet pipe, and also we can observe it from this oil level glass. When we found there is no oil in this machine, and there is no oil in this pipe, we can stop the oil outlet pump by press this red one. After this, the machine is stopped, and then just press this emergency button. Then the machine is completely stopped, and also it's ready for the restart again. If you don't need to use it, you can just remove the electrical power lines. Okay, finish.